Uncle Mark here. If you've got a license plate light that's out, I'm going to show you how I'm going to change this one. It's real easy to do. This is on a GMC Terrain, probably similar on the Chevy Equinox. So probably easier if a person just opens the hatch a little bit. And you can see the two of them here. Now basically, they're not even screwed in. They just kind of pop out. So you take a flat screwdriver, and it looks like on the driver's side on this one, you see there's a little bit bigger gap there than the other side. So gently pry in the one with the bigger gap. That should be on the driver's side. And it should come out. Just gently pry. You'll see how this thing, only one side pops out. The other side's almost kind of hinged in there. This one's got lots of dirt in here, of course. It's been on lots of gravel. At least it's not wet. The last time I worked on this vehicle, the stuff was wet. And it was muddy, but this is just gravel. I'm just going to try and get a little bit of this gravel out of here. Dirt, whatever it is. And this bulb should just turn. Quarter turn, I'm thinking quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise. And there's the bulb right there. Now these, and that's what this piece looks like. You can see one side's almost got like a little hinge to it. Don't want to break that off. And one side doesn't. So the hinge goes in first and then just clicks in. That's what it looks like. Pretty simple. Let's get back to the bulb. This bulb should just wiggle out. Wiggle and pull. There, that easy to do. It's a 168 is the number. If you're trying to replace it, get those at pretty much any hardware store or any other kind of store. And it just goes, only one way it goes in. Well, there's two ways it can go in, but both ways are right. Just pops in there. And then you want to put that piece back in with the hinge side. I'm going to try to get more of this gravel out of here. The hinge side, well, let's show you this first. You can see it's got two little fingers or wings or openings, gaps there. So it only, when you screw it in, it only goes in one way kind of thing. Turn it a quarter turn, then put that little hinge, if you want to call it that, back in first. Let me get the wires in first. So yeah, tuck that little hinge in, and then it should just snap in. Pretty simple. For the other side, and I might as well show you that one too, because I got this side wrong. I thought, oh, it's going to be on this side you pry. Looks like, nope. Again, we want to look at what's got the biggest gap, and I'm not looking at this close enough. I'm trying to look through the viewfinder here as I'm recording it. I'm being gentle, as I suggested earlier. This is the side that's got the bigger gap on this one. And it looks like that's the way they both are. So it's to the left of it again. Gently turn the screwdriver a little bit, and it comes out along with a lot of gravel, dirt, whatever. And I thought, is this put in the wrong way? But no, it looks like that's the way they are from factory as well. You may want to tap some of the dirt out of it. And we know how that works. Yeah, I thought, does it go in this way? And it's like, nope. It goes in exactly the same way as the other one. There's that big hole there. That's where that little hinge will pop into that.
Guess we'll learn something.
Big gap there. So we know how this works. You just twist the bulb, pull it out, swap it, put it back in, snap it back in there. And that's easy enough. And then you'll want to just make sure they work. Close the hatch. And it should be good. I've got more videos on this. Why don't you just stick around for a minute? Well, thanks for helping me out with this job. It was pretty easy, wasn't it? If you don't have a flat screwdriver, you could probably use a butter knife and just gently twist it and get that lens to pop out. If you liked the video, why not give me the thumbs up? That'll help YouTube know I'm doing a good job. You can also subscribe if you haven't already down in the bottom corner. Usually have a video out every week, sometimes a few more. Plus, since you have a Terrain, or even the Equinox, which should be similar, how about a playlist? Just right above there. Terrain playlist, whole bunch of videos of other things that I've worked on fixing this thing. You stay safe. Appreciate you watching. Until next time, Uncle Mark's saying bye-bye for now.
Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
How about a playlist? Sure. How about right here? Above the blig, 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 blig. different videos that we've done together on these.
168.
You can give me the thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. That helps YouTube know I'm doing a good job. You can also subscribe down in the corner at the bottom there. That way you won't miss any. What's going on? With a whole bunch of videos on this vehicle. Until next time, oh, goodness. Usually they come out at least once a week.